Hello students, how are you all? I hope so you all are fine. My name is Ira Dotia from JF English Medium School. Kids, we started our chapter number 3, Adaptations in Animals. So, I explained you PPT, right? Through PPT I explained you vocabulary words through pictures and with meanings, right? In this chapter I am going to cover these all topics, right? Firstly, I want to explain you about adaptations. Then after I want to explain you about habitat. Then after I want to explain you about adaptation to environment. In that particularly I want going to explain you about terrestrial animals. Particularly terrestrial animals live where? They are normally living on land, desert, polar regions, right? So these things I am going to explain in during session. Now animals, we all know, right? We are surrounded by so many animals, and we categorize animals in different categories, right? Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, parasites, right? These all things that I am going to cover in this chapter. But before that, you need to understand the meaning of adaptation and habitat. Kids, adaptation is a kind of a thing कि naturally कोई भी person वहाँ पे रह रहा है तो उस environment के according मतलब उसको उस environment के according अपने आप को उस place पर adjust करना है. If they are able to adjust and survive in that same environment, that kind of thing is called adaptations. If suppose I am going outside in London, America, there is so much differences in weather, right, over there. It is too much cold, even we cannot bear that cold. But I want to live there for a few months. Then I need to adjust myself according to its weather, right? So if a bird or an animal supposed to live in that same place, so it needs to change and it needs to adapt itself to change according to their weather, that proper place, right? That kind of thing is called adaptation. Clear? Like plants, animals are found everywhere on the earth, right? We are seeing that there are so many plants, so many animals, so many birds are there, right? They are adapted to survive in their surroundings. They already adapted themselves to survive in our surroundings, right? As like us, plants also have some kind of things that they have. They also need some proper amount of air, water, sunlight. They also need water in a proper amount. Agar we are feeling thirsty, right? Then we need to drink some water. If we want to drink 1 glass of water, then we only want half glass of water. Then what happens? हम thirsty ही रह जाएंगे, right? तो same as like that, अपने आप में एक कोई भी प्लांट हो, एक उसके सराउंडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग वो अपने आप को एडजस्ट कर देता है. So that kind of adjustment is, we are going to call it as a adaptation. When there are changes in the surroundings, such as change in climate, animals also have to change their place and behavior to survive. This process of changing to survive in the environment is called adaptation. As we know, there are few seasons are there throughout the year, right? Winter, summer, monsoon, spring, right? So ऐसा होता है कोई सीजन पसंद नहीं आती है, होता है कि नहीं होता है? I don't like monsoon season, but it is must for us. वो मुझे सूट नहीं करती है, but still I am supposed to survive in that season, right? Whatever मुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो उसमें मुझे एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा मुझे, right? So same as like that, animals को भी कोई सीजन पसंद होती है, कोई सीजन नहीं पसंद होती. What they used to do? They used to change the place, otherwise they adapt that thing in them to survive in that particular place. या तो फिर वो एक ऐसी चीज अपने आप में एडप्ट करेंगे, एडजस्ट करेंगे कि वो इजीली वो प्लेस पर सर्वाइव कर पाए। क्लियर? सो दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एडेप्टेशन। The natural home of an animal is called its habitat. Now what is the meaning of habitat? अगर natural home होता है कोई भी living thing का, that is its own habitat, वो उसकी खुद की एक habitat है। मेरा born यही इंडिया में हुआ है, तो I almost adapted myself to survive in India only। मतलब वो एक मेरा एक natural home है। कोई भी plant है, अगर according to the place, सब जगह पे different plants grow होते हैं। They also have a different soil to grow. They also like some different types of weathers to grow. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग वहाँ पे जो नेचुरली ग्रो हुआ होता है, नेचुरली एनिमल वहाँ पे मिलते हैं, या तो फिर हमारा कौन नेचुरली कोई भी प्लेस पर हुआ है, दैट इज आवर ओन हैबिटेट। क्लियर? Animals depend on their habitat to obtain food, keep themselves safe, reproduce and build homes. Whatever, wherever we are naturally found, right? That is our, मतलब वो एक थिंग है कि हम टोटली उसी प्लेस पर हम टोटली डिपेंडेंट है, बट फॉर व्हाट? फॉर फूड, वाटर, शेल्टर, रिप्रोडक्शन एंड फॉर आवर सेफ्टी, राइट? सो टोटली हमारी हैबिटेट के ऊपर ही हम लोग डिपेंडेंट हैं। सो इज दैट क्लियर? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एडेप्टेशन एंड हैबिटेट? क्लियर? Now let's begin. Adaptation to environment. How to adapt ourselves in particular environment, right? A camel, for example, has developed long eyelashes to protect its eyes from sand in the desert. Kids, have you ever visited desert area? In desert area, मतलब बहुत wind होती है, right? जिसके जो क्या होता है कि कॉन्स्टेंटली जो सैंड होती है वो उड़ती रहती है। द ब्लो ऑफ सैंड इज कंटिन्यूअसली चलता ही रहता है इन अ फ्लो। बट तो कैमल कहाँ का एनिमल है? कैमल डेजर्ट में ही मोस्टली पाया जाता है, बिकॉज कैमल एडप्टेड देमसेल्व्स इन पर्टिकुलर वेज। लाइक व्हाट? लाइक दे हैव अ लॉन्ग लैशेस, आई लैशेस। we are going to call it in Gujarati as a papad, right? But in English we are supposed to use eyelashes, right? तो उसके पास इतनी लंबी eyelashes होती है कि एक कवरिंग बन जाती है आईज के सामने कि उसके अंदर सैंड जा नहीं पाती है, right? Then after, animals that are not able to adapt to the changes die out slowly. If suppose I am the one who already shifted in London, right? तो I won't be able to bear that climate. तो क्या होता है कि वो धीरे धीरे वो तो मतलब ऑप्शंस होते हैं, माइग्रेशन ऑप्शन होता है, एस्टिवेशन होता है, there are few options, बट वो एक चीज को अपने आप में एडप्ट ही नहीं कर पा रहे कोई भी एनिमल। तो उसके साथ क्या होता है? They adapt to the changes, die out slowly. वो धीरे धीरे मरना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, right? अगर कोई पॉजिटिव चेंज हो या नेगेटिव चेंज हो, then we cannot adapt in ourselves, then it started changing into वो मरना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, right? On the basis of their habitat, animals can be divided into 5 major groups. After seeing its habitat of any kind of animals, we categorized animals into 5 main types. How many types, kids? 5 main types. Terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals and aerial animals. हमने पर्टिकुलरली उसकी हैबिटेट को देख के हमने ये सारे के सारे एनिमल्स को 5 कैटेगरीज में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया। नंबर 1, टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स, ऐसे एनिमल्स, द टाइप ऑफ एनिमल विच लिव्स ऑन लैंड, दैट काइंड ऑफ एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड terrestrial animals. Aquatic animals, animals which mostly found in water, that type of animals are called aquatic animals. Then after, amphibians, animals that can live on both on land as well as in water, that kind of animals are called amphibians. Sorry. Then after, arboreal animals, animals that spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals, right? ऐसे animals जो most of the time trees के ऊपर ही रहते हैं, तो उस टाइप के एनिमल्स को हम क्या बोलेंगे? अर्बोरियल एनिमल्स. देन आफ्टर, एरियल एनिमल्स. एरियल एनिमल्स दैट फ्लाई आर कॉल्ड एरियल एनिमल्स, राइट? तो एक पर्टिकुलरली एनिमल्स की हैबिटेट को देखने के बाद हमने ये 5 कैटेगरीज में भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट देम, राइट? नाउ फर्स्ट, टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. ऐसे animals जो land के ऊपर रहते हैं, उस animals को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Terrestrial animals. तो land में रहने के लिए भी we need few adaptations, right? First of all, to live on land we need legs. We need legs to move, we need legs to walk, we need legs to run, right? तो land में रहने के लिए सबसे पहले तो हमें किसी चीज की जरूरत होती है. They have well-developed sense organs such as eyes, ears, or nose to sense their surroundings. These terrestrial animals have a strong sense organs. They easily can feel the vibe surrounding them with the help of eyes, ears, and nose. उसको इजीली कोई भी चेंजेस होता है वो फील कर सकते हैं और उसको बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट आइडिया भी मिल जाता है, right? Because they have such a strong sense organs. These helps them to hunt for food and protect themselves from their enemies. With these sense organs, they easily can hunt other animals, or else they can save from the other animals. कि वो दूसरे animals से बच भी जाते हैं. With the help of these sense organs, right? They have legs to help them move. However, some animals such as snake do not have legs. They use their skin to crawl along the ground. Most of the terrestrial animals have a legs to survive on a land. But snake don't have a leg, but they have a super fine skin. With the help of skin, they easily crawl on a land. Crawl मतलब घसीटने जाओ. वो जो crawl करता है ना, snake ऐसे ऐसे करके, तो इस टाइप को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Crawl बोलेंगे, right? But they do not have a leg, but still it is moving on a land with the help of its skin. But still it is called a terrestrial animal because it is living on a land, right? They have lungs which help them to breathe. All the terrestrial animals, mostly all the terrestrial animals have a well-developed lungs. With that lungs, they easily can breathing air inside, right? We human beings also have a lungs to breathe. Same as like that, terrestrial animals also have a lungs to breathe. They have different body coverings such as fur, hair, or scales suited to the habitat they live in. Terrestrial animals is okay, right? But terrestrial animals are so many. Some are living in polar regions, some are living in a desert, some are living in very extreme hot climate, some are living on a moderate climate. So according to the climate, according to the weather conditions, we all have a different kinds of body coverings are there. If some are living in a very cold place, then they have a body coverings like fur. उसकी body coverings covered है with the fur. Some are living in a hot dry place, then they have a like उसकी body में उस type की adaptations होती है, right? They have a long legs. Their skin is like they won't be able to feel that much hot climate, right? some have a hair on its body, right? So according to the climate condition, according to its place, they have a different body coverings are there, right? Elephants, tigers, horses, cows, pigs, dogs, and bears are some examples of terrestrial animals. Let us learn about some terrestrial animals that survive in extreme harsh climate, such as in deserts or in polar regions, right? Now, first of all, deserts. Deserts are areas that are very hot during the day and very cold at night. There is very little food and water. Desert area is the kind of area that it is very hot during the day and very cold at the night. So the people or the animal, whoever is living there, they need to adapt according to that, right? And in desert area, there is very little food is available and very little water is available. अगर कोई animal, if any animal want to survive there, they need to adapt themselves to survive in very less water, right? Animals living in deserts are adapted to if any animals want to stay in desert, otherwise they already staying in desert, they need to adapt some features in them. Then they are able to survive in particular weather conditions, right? Which type of adaptations they need to adapt? Number one, conserve water in their body. कि अपनी ही बॉडी में वाटर को कंजर्व करना पड़ेगा, स्टोर करना पड़ेगा, राइट? कम से कम पानी पीने की हैबिट डालनी पड़ेगी. नंबर टू, सर्वाइव ऑन लेस फूड एंड वाटर. They are supposed to survive in a particular thing that they मतलब ऐसी चीज में सर्वाइव करना पड़ेगा कि जहाँ पे कम वाटर मिलता है और कम फूड मिलता है, उसमें भी उसको एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. Protect themselves from hot and cold conditions. They need to adapt one thing that they should have it. उसमें क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए कि they can save from hot climate also and cold climate also. कि वो गर्मी से भी बच पाए और ठंडी से भी बच पाए, क्योंकि during the day it is so hot and at the night it is so cold. तो उसमें एक बैलेंस होना चाहिए उसकी बॉडी में कि इजीली वो इस एटमॉस्फेयर को बेयर कर पाए. Name two animals that live in deserts other than camel. You need to answer kids कि एनिमल्स के भी नेम हमें देने हैं जो डेजर्ट में सरवाइव कर सकते बट एक्सेप्ट कैमल. You need to answer kids. A camel lives in a desert. It can survive without food and water for many days. एक कैमल की स्पेशलिटी है, उसके पेट में एक हैम होता है जिसके थ्रू दे इजीली कैन conserve its water in its stomach only. Kids, we have a tank at our home, right? To store water. कि wherever we want to use water, at that time we on our tap, right? तो पानी आना start हो जाता है. But camels के पास क्या होता है? एक तो उसको बहुत टाइम तक पानी नहीं मिलता है, तो बहुत टाइम तक पानी नहीं मिलता है तो वो क्या करता है? जब भी पानी मिलता है तब वो वाटर होता है उसको वो स्टोर कर देता है अपने ही स्टमक के अंदर, हैम के अंदर, राइट? Whenever he feels thirsty at that time वो पानी का यूज करके वो अपनी थर्स्टीनेस को दूर करता है. Same as like that it stores food also. उसी तरह से उसको लंबे टाइम तक फूड नहीं मिलता है. Whenever it gets its food, it stores the food and whenever he feels hungry, at that time they use that same food, right? It has a thick skin and scanty hair to protect itself from hot and cold conditions. उसके पास एक ऐसी थिक स्किन है और स्कैंटी हेयर्स, एक हेयर का लेयर है उसकी बॉडी में जिसके थ्रू वो इजीली इट कैन प्रोटेक्ट इटसेल्फ फ्रॉम वेरी कोल्ड एंड वेरी हॉट, राइट? if we feel so much cold, what we used to do, we wear sweaters, right? If we want to go outside in the rainy season, then what we are supposed to do, we are wearing raincoats, right? So same as like that कि वो तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but गॉड ने नेचर गिफ्ट से ही उसको एक प्रोटेक्शन दिया है अपनी बॉडी में थ्रू स्कैंडी हेयर और एल्स थ्रू उसकी जो थिक स्किन होती है उसके थ्रू, राइट? उसकी बॉडी में ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिक हो जाती है जिसके थ्रू वो अपने आप को इजीली प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट? Since it is very hot during the day in desert, many desert animals such as snakes and lizards are active only during dawn and dusk. Some animals such as desert rays are active only during the night. During the day, these animals sleep in their den, cave or burrow. Except camel, there are so many animals are also living in a desert. But they adapted themselves in like that. During the day, if they won't be able to survive in that much hot climate, then what they are doing? They are staying in their cave, den और एज इन बरो. कोई भी एनिमल है वो अपने डैन, बरो या तो फिर केव में ही रहता है ड्यूरिंग द डे. तो कोल्ड क्लाइमेट इफ दे कैन बेयर, दे जस्ट केम आउट एट द नाइट. रात को बाहर आते हैं और दे आर लिविंग देयर लाइफ. और ऐसे भी एनिमल्स होते हैं कि लाइक स्नेक्स और लिजर्ड कि एक प्रॉपर पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे ही वो बाहर आते हैं, बाकी वो बाहर आते नहीं है. एक क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस अगर उसको पसंद है तो उस क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन में वो बाहर आते हैं, अदरवाइज वो एक जगह पे वो पड़े रहते हैं. सो क्लियर? नाउ लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट polar regions. Here we completed about desert. Now I am to explain you about polar region. Polar region को नाम सुनते ही that words explains that it is a cold place, right? The north and the south poles are covered with ice throughout the year. एक ऐसी place north और south की जो throughout the year एक cold condition में ही होती है. These are the coldest places on the earth. These are the coldest places on the earth. There is very little food available in these regions. Polar bear, Arctic fox, and penguins are some examples that live in polar regions. In polar regions, there एक proper amount में food नहीं होता है, वहाँ पे बहुत ही कम quantity में food मिलता है. Still, there are so many animals are found there. Animals like polar bear, Arctic fox, and penguins. देखा है आप लोगों ने penguins को? So these are the animals mostly found in north and south poles. It is very cold place, right? Polar bear inhabits the north pole. Let us look at the adaptations shown by it. How they adapted themselves to survive in a particular that coldest place. Chalo, let's see. Number 1. It has a dense layer of fur that protect it from cold. Polar bears के पास एक dense मतलब बहुत ही घना बाल, अपनी outer coverings होती है, वहाँ पर बहुत सारे बाल होते हैं, घने बाल होते हैं, घने hair होते हैं, एकदम से dense hair होते हैं, जिसके थ्रू उसको ठंडी नहीं लगती है. The fur keeps it body warm, उसकी body को warm रखती है. Under the skin, polar bear has a thick layer of fat called blubber. The blubber keeps its body warm. In addition, it also serves as a source of energy during the winter. बेयर की स्किन के नीचे एक ब्लबर करके एक लेयर होता है, पोर्शन होता है, जिसके थ्रू क्या होता है कि वो उसकी बॉडी को एक थिक लेयर प्रोवाइड करता है और इट वर्क्स लाइक दैट कि वो उसकी बॉडी को वार्म तो रखता ही है, बट ड्यूरिंग द विंटर इट प्रोवाइड्स एनर्जी टू द बॉडी ऑल्सो. कि विंटर सीजन में वो बियर की बॉडी को एनर्जी भी प्रोवाइड करता है, राइट? The paws of a polar bears have small and soft bumps. These help them to walk on the ice without sleeping on it. Kids, if you are आप कभी बाहर गए हो in a very for outing in a very cold place, then have you observed कि if you want to walk on ice, then they are providing you some different shoes. In that shoes एक ऐसी grip होती है कि जिसके अंदर you are not able to slip, कि आप slip नहीं हो पाते. तो ये तो polar bears है, तो उसके पास क्या होना चाहिए? उसके पास एक नेचुरली पोज है, बम्प जैसे पोज है, जिसके थ्रू वो आइस पे वॉक भी कर पाते हैं और वो स्लीप भी नहीं होते. तो उसके पास एक ऐसी एडेप्टेशन है कि वो वहाँ पे उसी प्लेस पर इजीली वॉक भी कर पाए, चल भी पाए, रह भी पाए, राइट. दे हैव एन एक्यूट सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. दे वेर लाइक एक्यूट सेंस ऑफ स्मेल कि वो इजीली दूर तक भी वो स्मेल कर पाते हैं, ये किसकी स्मेल है. These helps them to find their prey even below the thick sheet of ice. आइस के लेयर्स होते हैं नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल में. तो इवन कोई भी एनिमल होता है, प्रे मतलब जो शिकार बनने वाला होता है, प्रीडेटर मतलब जो शिकार करने वाला होता है, राइट. तो उसका प्रे जो होता है वो कितनी भी माइल्स दूर ना हो, अदरवाइज ऐसा भी होता है कि आइस का जो थिक लेयर होता है अगर उसके अंदर भी वो प्रे है तो उसको भी पोलर बियर्स इजीली उसको सेंस कर पाते हैं, उसको अपना फूड भी मिल जाता है. क्लियर. पेंगुइन्स आर द मोस्ट कॉमन एनिमल्स दैट inhabit the south pole. Penguins also have a thick layer of a fat that is called blubber in their bodies that keeps their body warm in extreme cold conditions. They handle together to keep warm in freezing temperatures. Even penguins are mostly found in these polar and in north and south pole, right? उसकी बॉडी में भी ब्लबर होता है जिसके थ्रू वो इजीली इतनी ठंडी क्लाइमेट में अपने आप को बेयर कर पाता है, राइट. अ मस्क ऑक्स that lives in the extremely cold tundra region has thick shaggy hair which provides protection from the cold conditions. When attacked by predators, musk oxen run to nearby higher ground and then form a circle together to attack them. Musk ox करके एक ox होता है. It is a kind of a ox only which mostly found in a cold places only, right? So they are that kind of a unit. If some predator attacks them, what they are doing? They just run away from that place. और ऐसे place पर वो पहुंच जाते हैं जहाँ पे उसका group होता है. Then after they just circled in that particular place और जो predator होता है उसके सामने उसको अटैक करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, right? So unity में बहुत पावर है जिसके थ्रू predator भाग जाता है और मस्क ऑक्स के ऊपर वो हमला नहीं कर पाता है. So understand kids about terrestrial animals. So here we completed our session number 2. I have shared a PDF with you of your homework. Try to answer and try to solve it by your own self. In next session, I am going to explain you about aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals, and aerial animals. Okay? So in next session, I am going to explain these all things. And kids, if you like my video, like it, and till